Right, got a great video on cryptocurrency for you guys. Let's go ahead.
Push P. Yeah, push P. Turn me up. Turn me up, P.
Right, so as I was saying, amazing video for cryptocurrency. Got all the data, news, updates, and technical analysis you possibly could need to make your decisions on buying, selling, or holding. I hope you're not selling because cryptocurrency is about to make a giant move. But let's go ahead and get in the chart, technical analysis, news, and data, and check everything out and see what we have. Alright, we're here at the chart, and as you can see, we are looking at Bitcoin. So we're going to be giving you an update on cryptocurrency and the cryptocurrency world. So what I think is going on, I'll give you guys price predictions, technical analysis, and some data. So hopefully you can find your way through these markets. So as you can see, Bitcoin has been consolidating in this bullish pennant, which is these two blue lines that I have shown for you here. This normally breaks out of the upside 2 out of 3 times these indicative shapes, with lower highs and higher lows. As the consolidation gets tighter and tighter and tighter, it's like a spring and gets pushed up. It looks like we already went and up to retest the top of this wedge, and we're following this bullish trend. So it's until these two orange lines are broken, either up or down, this price point will stay in between this bullish channel here. And this has not been broken yet, which often leads me to lead that we will test this white box here of this main support slash resistance, which is right now acting as a huge amount of resistance. As you've seen, we come up, hit our head, come up, hit our head, come down, and bounced off of this sloping ascending support, which gave us support after the crash to 32K, then 34 and 36. So as you can see, we've been going higher and higher and higher, coming up, hitting our head, and getting squeezed in between these support slash resistances, which will be like a spring. So either what's going to happen is Bitcoin's going to come back down and probably hit around 40K and continue up until we have to retest this level again, or it's going to break this level right now. And what I think is going to happen, it's going to actually break this level, come back down to retest the top of this line here. So come up like this, come back and test the line, and then continue up to about 52K before coming back down. RSI on the daily is a little almost oversold. We're not oversold yet, as oversold is up in this area up here. The RSI lets you know when we're close to a bottom, like down here when RSI was oversold, means that too many people are selling, and when it's overbought, it means too many people are buying. So we're not in the overbought or oversold territory, so we do have room to run. Also on the MACD, you guys see that this is bullish as well, which often leads me to believe that we will see a move to the upside. Also, if you look at the Bollinger Bands and the EMA ribbons, so this is the estimated moving averages and the Bollinger Bands. So the Bollinger Bands normally contract and get tighter, as you guys can see this blue line here. Let me go ahead and take the EMAs off real quick. So we have this bluish greenish line here, and the middle of it shows bullishness, the bottom of it shows bearishness, and then when it contracts, it often means price movement. So as you can see, it contracted here, and you've seen a spike to the downside. You can see that it contracted here a little bit, and you see a price movement to the upside. As you can see, the Bollinger Bands are contracting at this point. So it does mean that volatility is coming. So we're either going to have a large move to the upside or downside. And due to all the technicals, I believe the upside. As you can see, the Bollinger Bands contracted here, and we had a large move to the upside. And what that means when they contract is volatility is coming. So we have that as well, telling us that there is probably a move to the upside or downside coming, but most likely the upside due to other technicals. Also, as well, we are above key levels with these moving averages. So these colored lines, this rainbow band that you see, are moving averages and estimated moving averages, which act as support and resistance. This lets you know that technical analysis does work because these are technical indicators, and as you can see, they're acting as perfect support slash resistance lines and giving us perfect support slash resistance. So as you can see, we are just barely above this 200-day estimating moving averages green line here, which is a major support. So the fact that we're above this is meaning that we're probably going to go test this $46,000, $52,000 range. as of last night, when I was doing the technical analysis, we were not above it, and we were actually using it as resistance, but now it's going to be acting as support, and our next resistance will be up at $48,000. So I do believe that we're going to be testing this white box here this weekend, probably by tonight at Sunday at 8 o'clock Eastern time, when the Bitcoin market closes and the weekly candle closes for this week, and we will have a weekly close. So if we can get a close above 44 to 45K, that would be great. There's normally a pump when that happens. But this looks basically just like the summer lull before we had the rip up. So I do believe that we will be testing these upper zones here, and I'm giving a price prediction of 48,000 with a low price prediction of 40,000. So the lowest I think we'll possibly go is 40,000. The highest I think we'll possibly go within this week is 48 to $52,000 that we could see possibly as early as this week. If we look at the overall market, we're seeing lots and lots of green in the overall market for the crypto bubbles. And fear and greed is at neutral. So basically, it's not a good time to buy or sell right now, as fear gets high and the green or into the fear high. That's normally a good time to buy. When we saw those lows, fear was extremely high, and when it goes green, it's normally time to de-risk your position, maybe take some of the skin off of the table. If you look at the top coins by social media analytics, so this is the top coins by social mentions and network mentions, and these are the top coins. So we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, PancakeSwap, Tezos, Dogecoin, Decentraland, Algorand, ApeCoin, Shiba Inu, Zilla, Baby Dogecoin, and a few others like Cardano. And the reason why we look at these is because normally when a coin is talked about a lot, it means a price movement is coming for that coin. Here is the latest news for cryptocurrency. So this is Crypto Panic, a site that gathers all of the news information revolving around crypto and Bitcoin. So here is the news. If you guys see anything that interests you, go ahead and take a look at it. This is cryptopanic.com, and that lets you know all of the cryptocurrency news. Here is a way that you can check out short interest, open short interest. So this is the open interest, which is mostly a mixed bag, but there is a lot of short interest. So there is a potential for a short squeeze on Bitcoin because of all these shorts, as you see here in the red, are loading up because they're playing the support / resistance. They're hoping it's going to hit its head and come down, but the shorts loading up could actually get squeezed out if the price continues up and send us up extremely fast, which has happened several times in Bitcoin's history. It normally runs about 15 to 20% when a short squeeze comes. So there is something on the table. A short squeeze is on the table and is something that we are looking at. Bitcoin dominance remains at 40.3%. ETH dominance reigns at 17.9%. And we are above that magical $2 trillion level as a whole for the crypto market cap. So that is an amazing level. Anything under $2 trillion is normally a great buying opportunity. Now is the time where I would say is a good time to buy still, but you might want to be a little bit more cautious. It's not the dip. It's not right in the middle of the bottoms. And I do think that we are in the average middle range now, the lower end of that. So it's still a great opportunity to buy, and it's always a great opportunity to buy and dollar cost average in. But now is when I'd be a little bit more secure with my buying. As you guys can see, here's Reddit for you guys, some cryptocurrency and stuff. You guys can get good information from here for cryptocurrency, GME, AMC, other stocks that I cover as well, and we also cover cryptocurrency on here and cybersecurity as well. But that is basically the video. I gave you guys your price predictions, your technical analysis. The reason why we watch Bitcoin so much is because of the Bitcoin dominance, which I showed you, which is 40%. Ethereum as well, which leads the altcoins, is also breaking out of this bullish pennant as well, after ascending out of this downtrend, and has the same story of using these EMAs as support / resistances and breaking major levels. So I do think that a big pump for cryptocurrency is coming for the altcoins and Bitcoin as a whole. But that is the video. Hopefully you found it informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content, and as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, because remember I cover cybersecurity, stocks, crypto, and breaking news on this channel. So if you find any of that informative, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content, and as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, make money. Peace out. So that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like. Remember, I cover cybersecurity, breaking news, cryptocurrency, and stocks on this channel. So if you find any of that interesting, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content, and as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking. Peace out.